Hey guys, it's your girl Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. Today I'm back with another video in our September monthly niche idea series. This month and going forward, I am going to try to change it up a little bit just because these videos tend to be a little shorter. With this monthly niche research, I'll be doing the journal cover, the journal interior, and the t-shirt idea all in one video. Be patient with me as I transition into this new way of doing the monthly niche idea. If you are new here, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to be notified every time that I release a new video. I will be designing in Canva today, and I already have a journal cover size up for 6x9 with 120 pages for KDP. I have just a 6x9 journal interior. It's not the standard size. It's just actually 6x9. It's not with the bleed at all. And then I also have a regular 5,000 by 5,000 t-shirt template. We're going to go over to our wheel of names, and our topics for September is fall, teacher, and habit tracker. We're going to go ahead and click to spin. Our first, we have the habit tracker. So automatically I feel like I should do an interior for a habit tracker. I am going to look at templates and I'm going to type in habit tracker. They have a few things here, which is amazing, that I love when they have stuff. Let's take a look at this one, and then let's go ahead and make the size a little bit bigger so we can see what we have. This is the monthly habit tracker, and you get a reward with the habit and the goal. I really like this just as it is, but you know, with Canva, we need to make sure we make some changes to make it our own. I'm going to go ahead and change this to a light purple. I'm going to change the font on this habit tracker, and I'm going to make this lowercase. Super cute. And I think I'm going to go ahead and change all of the fonts to Play Fair Display. Let's see if I could do that. I'm not going to add the done in there, and I'm just going to take off the reward word. And I feel like I just want the word habit versus like the goal. We're going to do the habit on each of these, delete the goal, we're going to delete the reward, and done. I'm trying to change it up as much as I can. It does not look like the original, so I don't feel as if I'm using Canva's actual template, but you know, this just feels right to me by switching it up as much as I can. Normally I would go in and just change the whole thing, but a habit tracker has a lot of information, and to have this template makes it just a little bit easier to have something pre-made and you just change it to your liking. Let's see, let's put analyze at the end here and change that font. Or what's a word, a good word? Monthly assessment. We basically assess the month afterwards. We just have each habit. You'll write the habit in, and then you check off the day that you did it. And then at the end, you'll assess maybe a pattern you saw or something you didn't do good at, a habit you completed, give yourself a good job. I think that's pretty good for a habit tracker. And maybe I want this to be Play Fair. Yeah, I think I like that better anyways. And I could make this a little bit bigger if I wanted to. You're never really done. I think I like that much better. Here is our habit tracker. Now we're going to go ahead back to our wheel of names and want to spin again. All right, we have teacher. Yay! I feel like I want to do a cover. And I'm going to go to Pinterest or a shirt. Let's see. What are some good, funny sayings, teacher quotes that the people are saying now? Something about the grade, teacher. quotes, our shirts. You know, sometimes each grade has like different themes for the year. Oh, I love this tiny human tamer. That's super cute. Okay, wife, mom, teacher, office, teach, repeat, coffee, teach, repeat. I think I like that. What are we gonna do? I think I'm gonna put I tame tiny humans or something like that. Let's go with like a yellow because we're gonna brighten up the school year. I'm gonna put something about teacher in there. Let me maybe find like a pencil, something somewhat animated, but still, you know, fun. Maybe I can use the pencil as the letter T. Um, what did it say again? It said, I tame tiny humans. Tiny human tamer. Okay. So let's use the pencil as a T. Let's get our line from elements to make sure we have the middle. So we have our line. Make sure that's centered. Okay. Just gonna put that here. Gonna copy that. Turn it 45-degree angle. Tiny. All right, let's group this together so it stays together. And let's find a font. I really like that font. I'm gonna ungroup this and just use the type font up here. And let's see if we can get this color from the pencil. I remember at one point it was easier to get like the color for the whatever you were doing here on Canva. Tiny, let's copy. Tiny human tamer. Let's see how it looks with the capital letters. I want to put tiny in the middle, but a little bit bigger. Okay. All right, that looks to be like the middle. Tiny human tamer. Let's see if we can find anything else that is like school-like. So put some graphics on there and maybe like this book with the apples in the corner. I think that is super cute. Tiny human tamer. We have our journal cover, and that's our journal cover. So we have one left, which is fall. Let's go ahead and spin fall. With fall, we're gonna do a t-shirt. Celebrate so we can remove it. Let's see if we can use a template. Let's look for football. So I'm just looking to see if we can find a template for football all fall. Let's find some text. And oh wait, I like this font better. I'm going to do I don't know if I've seen this before, but something similar, sweater, weather, and then I'm put in football. And football. And then right here we're going to put hello fall. And let's see if we could do like a burgundy, like a, let's do that color burgundy too. And I think that's cute. I do want to ungroup this and make this hello fall in the middle, maybe. I like that better, maybe too close. We have our shirt, we have our journal interior, and we have our journal cover for the September monthly niche idea. And we did teacher, fall, and habit tracker. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I hope it helps to give you a few ideas of things that you can create. Remember, I'm going to do these monthly niche idea once a month, and I'll have 3 different topics. The topics will not be on trend, so it's really not any indication of what I'm selling at that time. I'm just trying to find ideas that are close to the months that I'll be doing the niche idea in. So this does not mean these are the type of shirts I'm selling. These are just ideas to help you out. And until next time, I love you more than I love this video. Peace.